Hi guys, I'm playing Mad Scientist again today. I am playing again with the house paint from Walmart. It's the Color Place Interior in Satin. Just added a few drops of golden fluid acrylic paint gray to it to darken it up a little bit. These three are a combination of Primary Elements by Color Art. This is Red Jasper. This is this little piggy pigment in Harvest Gold. This is a combination of the two. This is just the Harvest Gold by this little piggy. This is just the Red Jasper by Primary Elements Color Art. And then I have this one over here. It is a Azo Orange by Amsterdam, and to that I added the Quinnac Azo Gold by Golden Fluid Acrylic to get that color. And all we have added to these colors, besides wetting the pigments with gloss varnish, is we've just added some GAC. That's it, just some GAC, a little water to get them all to the same consistency. And let's see if they work. We'll give it a go, huh? Should be fun. Okay, we're back, and I'm going to use an Edge 10 by 10 deep dish canvas. I love these canvases. They are my favorite. You can get them on Amazon or at Jerry's Artorama. I'm just putting this down now. And you want your consistency to be like water. Just like water. Okay? All right, let's see. Let's start with this. Now let's start with this one first. I'm just gonna put a little bit right through there. There we go. So I'm thinking I want to blow it out with my blow dryer. All right, now just give this a little. Okay, I'm liking it so far. Let me torch for air bubbles and see what we get. Okay, I see one little chunky air. If I can get it without. Let's see, one itty bitty chunky. Yep, I got it. Yep, there we go. Okay, cool. Now we just wait for the magic to work. as you can see, a lot of my color has disappeared. And I think one of the problems is I've left too much paint on top, and all my colors are sinking. So I'm gonna blow this out a little bit more and then add some more color to it. Well, maybe I'll add some more color to it and then blow it out some more and try and get some more of the colors or paint off of the top here. Let's see. Yeah, there's still a lot on there. Dry already. Okay. I think I want some more red jasper in it. I'm loving that color. Really loving that color. And a little bit more of this. That's just gorgeous. There we go. All right, and kind of re-wet this corner over here a little bit because it's already drying. Nice dry temps here in AZ, Southern AZ. All right, let's try this again.
The end of the world at the palm of my hand. When it all goes to hell, will you still be my friend? My face to the sea and my back to the land. And if you can't come with me, I'll understand. I'll understand. Can we meet in the dark? We don't have to say much. And if you have to go, have to go. If we didn't know what we know. The end of the world at the palm of my hand. When it all goes to hell, will you still be my friend? My face to the sea and my back's to the land. And if you can't come with me, I'll understand. Can we meet in the dark? We don't have to say much. And if you have to go, have to go. I'll let you go, let you go. I'll let you go, let you go. If we didn't know what we know. 'Cause when you travel light, some things are left behind. The end of the world at the palm of my hand. When it all goes to hell, will you still be my friend? My face to the sea and my back to the